We're up to another 2 hot dogs. Hot Dog Friday. We're doing my take on a Cubano and my take on a black bean and corn salsa dog. Let's get to it. As usual, we're starting off with our dogs on the grill. Get those down. Now, for our Cubano, I've got a buttered bun. I'm going to go ahead and toast this first because we're going to do a cheese coating on it afterwards. So we're just going to lay it down now, let it get toasty before we add the cheese. Alright, we got our toasted bun. So what we're going to do is we're going to put our cheese down. And we're going to give it a little bit of a cheese crust. Kind of get apart right there. There we go. Throw down this pork too. And now we just have to finish letting it cook. We've got our butter toasted, cheese crusted bun. We're gonna put on our mayo. We're gonna put our dog down. I didn't pull the pickles out ahead of time, so this is my personal pickle jar, so you don't worry about the fingers going in there. Pickles, some mustard, some spicy brown mustard. Putting down our pork, and there you go. That's my take on the Cubano hot dog. For our black bean and corn salsa dog, I'm also putting down a little bit of mayo. We just want to ensure nice and moist. Next up, the dog, our salsa. Now for the salsa, I made it ahead of time. Just make your favorite. Just make it your favorite way. Yeah, I mean, black bean and corn salsa is pretty basic, a little hard to mess up. But we're gonna drop down some crumbled tortilla chips and top it all off with a little Cholula. And there you go, black bean and corn salsa dog. We're gonna try our Cubano first. Nice and crispy. I love a cheese crusted bun. This is great. If anything, more mayo, more mustard, but this is great. Now I used pork roast instead of shredded pork. I could have shredded the pork when I made the roast, but I really wanted to use these slices for sandwiches, so we went with it like this. And no complaints. No complaints at all. It's not authentic by no means, especially on a hot dog, all right? But this is my take on it. Pretty happy with it. I'm going to give it a... Man, we're on a streak of 4s, but this is a 4. I'm pretty happy with it. Now, for the black bean and corn salsa dog, let's see how this goes down. Alright, black bean and corn salsa dog decision. You know, I think the garden fresh tomatoes that we got from Grandpa's garden and the salsa is doing some heavy lifting here. It's nice. It's got a little bit of a spice to it, just enough to, like, you know that you're tasting some spiciness. It's a good dog. Not great. I'm gonna give it a 3. I think if I was being less harsh, it'd probably be a 4. But that being said, it's still a good dog. It's still going in the book. Cheers.